Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Russell Reacts, where we react to, I react to different types of videos, mostly compilations, scary ones, funny ones. We are starting with a new style. I said stay tuned that it would be out by 8 o'clock tonight, so here it is. This one we are reacting to is called Incredible Moments Caught on Camera. And without further ado, of course, don't like it now, but at the end, like it if you like it. And if you like it, please subscribe to get more action like this. We are about to get right into it, and let's have some fun. Hopefully, we get some laughs out of here. I don't doubt that that's going to happen. Thank you for the support, everyone. And this is going to be exciting. I think it's like natural disasters and things like that. Terrible apocalyptic looking things. Let me adjust this first here. All right. Let's go. Oh my God, we're getting right into it.
In just a few seconds, nature can turn an ordinary day into an unforgettable moment. Get ready for a journey full of surprises with incredible footage from around the world.
They're showing them. Should I block my eyes here? That looks like some large hail.
Fishermen in Naples unexpectedly found themselves caught in a free hailstorm. At that moment, they were probably wishing they had Captain America's shield.
That's crazy. What are those, golf balls? I've seen softball. Oh, wow. They're out on a boat. That's a night from hell. Whoa, we're just going right into the first. We already know what's going to happen. They kind of did a spoiler at the beginning here. That's still crazy. Look at this person going by. That hill's about to turn into a mud pit, I think.
It seems he used up a lifetime's worth of luck with his safety margin measured in only a few inches.
Wow. That guy barely got out of there right here. Oh, man. Right. That's crazy right there. They're driving on a ledge too, it looks like. Wow. All right, here we go. Oh my. Oh, luckily it ripped the trailer off, I believe. Wow. They're lucky. Kinda. Horrific and lucky. Whoa.
Avoiding like falling rocks twice during the same trip, have you ever experienced a journey this stressful?
Wow. Good thing he backed up. Better back up. Whoa, is that an
Nature
earthquake?
is unpredictable, shifting from peaceful to chaotic in the blink of an eye and leaving destruction behind.
Oh no. I think there was animals in there. Unfortunately, we got to run that back to see. Looks like there's animals moving around in there. There's no way that they're there anymore, I think.
Nature is unpredictable, shifting from peaceful to chaotic in the blink of an eye and leaving destruction behind.
No. It says no one was injured. at the bottom corner. Look at this. No one was injured. Are they counting these animals? They got trashed. Oh, this one looks funny. Oh, yeah, that's a funny. No, it's not. Move, move. Ah. Oh, man. That was scary. I thought they were getting smushed. There's always people standing right next to these things, man. They're just like, yeah.
100% of the people there were probably hoping the flood wouldn't carry their vehicles away.
That is crazy. Water's crazy. Look at that. The whole earth is coming. Hope that means let's get out of here.
This scene makes the sky look like a legendary battlefield where the gods...
So, quick story, I almost got struck by lightning when I was a kid, leaving baseball practice on my bicycle. It was so close, it got really hot around me. It was like 80 degrees out. It felt like 100 degrees, and all my hair stood up like staticky. And then there was a flash, and it ripped through the sky instantly. It didn't have the thunder. It just was like, I can't even do the sound, man. But it was so scary that I jumped off my bicycle mid pedaling. And I got back on it. I was home in I was probably 2 minutes from home. I got home in like 30 seconds. But that was pretty crazy because usually you get the flash and then you hear the thunder. And I thought it was going to be like that, but very close. And I might have got grazed by it. I don't know. Anyway, that's beautiful. Look at that.
gods are showing off their power.
Whoa. That's crazy. They say
After
don't
the
strike twice
wildfire,
in the
nature
same
apparently
place.
wasn't ready to take a
the same
break
thing.
as muddy water carrying rocks and debris surged through
Looks like
Canada
Earl.
Deloro Wash in Arizona.
In Arizona? I was thinking of moving there. What's up? I can already hear this catastrophe coming. Take a look at all the beautiful greenery. Because over where this steam is at, this is gonna all be, we're gonna guess this is all gonna be brown. Or is it the same thing? Okay. Yeah, it's the same river. Wow. You'd think it would let up, but instead it just keeps growing. Looks like one of those chocolate fountain things. Wow.
Are you the type of viewer who prefers a larger screen to catch every detail?
I don't know why you asked that question, but
yeah, those things are dangerous.
he's like touching it. Is this the same
I've never
thing?
seen that in all the years I've been doing this.
It was rocks rolling.
Now go.
These guys are risking it. Thank you. You're helping me out. That's what that was? Holy crap. This looks like Arizona still. I didn't think of that. It's so dry that when it does rain, it doesn't soak down in and it can just go across the top. Flash flooding is, it must be much more prone. Then there's probably mudslide, landslide. I don't know. Whoa, no.
Standing in front of the king of the jungle, I can't believe he stayed calm enough to keep filming.
Even though it's a myth, They say the lion's the king of the jungle, but they're always in the plains. But so I don't know then, is the tiger the king of the jungle? I don't know. I don't know if he's wrong or right. But that's crazy. That's amazing. They're always in a convertible, it seems. No one was injured, allegedly. Do you got a horn? Damn, that elephant was upset.
Piles of vegetation that seem harmless can sometimes hide things you'd never expect.
This is turning into when animals attack. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Here's a rule you should write down in your...
There's aliens under that water. There is extraterrestrials under that water. Trust me. There's so much undiscovered stuff under the ocean, and oh yeah, we can't even comprehend what's going on with our simple human brains. Anyway, beautiful creature right there.
travel journal. When you encounter a blue whale at sea, it always has the right of way.
Oh my God, yeah. I got that on film, I think.
Well, that was our money's worth.
Would anyone like to experience this with me? Leave a comment below and I'll get in touch with you.
What? Let's try to shout out to this channel real quick, but he's weird. Unless he's talking like he's the whale. Real Incredible Moments is the channel. Real Incredible Moments. Shout out to the channel for posting this. And let's go. He's saying some weird stuff, but the videos are
This
pretty
is no
impressive.
ordinary mud flow. It moves with enough force to bend trees like toothpicks and sweep everything away within seconds.
Oh my God. That was crazy. All of a sudden shit is just gone. Look at that. Watch. Wait a minute. Do I see motorcycles? I have a spot for those. I see motorcycles. That's not cool, man. It's about to happen too. Do I unpause it or do I end the video? All right. Save the motorcycles. Oh no, they're gonna get trashed. What is this guy peeking for? Or is it a lady? Dude. So you don't know if people are brave or stupid. I don't know. Bofa.
On a mountain road in Himachal Pradesh, a giant visitor made of ice suddenly appeared in the middle of the road, bringing everyone's journey to a halt.
They're under a mountain. Why are they? You better just get all the way out of there before the whole mountain comes down. What are they beeping for?
Go back, yaar! Go back!
Wow. Hail is crazy.
Can this fragile...
I don't think car insurance covers hail, especially in places where there's where there's more storm type stuff. Yeah, I think like in Tornado Alley and all that. I think it's here too. Certain natural disasters, or all of them, correct me if I'm wrong, they don't cover, car insurance don't cover that. They like to not cover hardly anything and charge you literally an arm and a leg. Crazy.
tent really withstand the rocks raining down around it?
Speaking of arm and a leg, we're the only first world country that doesn't have universal free healthcare. And we have a lot of unhealthy humans here. You do the math. Sounds like it's intentional.
Those are softball sized.
Jeff, will you get out of there, please? You can do it from over here.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, that nice pot is out there.
That's falling from the sky. I know that's obvious, but I don't think people will register that. Uh-oh, say bye to your bike, man.
Fortunately, he looked up just in time and escaped
Look at that
danger by
bike.
a matter of inches. Sadly, the vehicle wasn't as lucky.
Ah. Geico. Oh, we got a different angle. Whoa.
If you'd like to share, let me know which state you're in and whether today is sunny, rainy, or cloudy there.
That's crazy. This guy says some weird shit, huh? Shout out to his channel, but I'm not messing with him. I'm not throwing shade, but what is he talking about?
When the ground starts moving, chaos begins, and the long process of cleaning up and rebuilding is often just getting started.
Earthquake? Whoa. This is the earthquake.
An earthquake in
compilation.
Taiwan triggered a dangerous landslide. Within seconds, rocks and debris rushed down the mountainside, turning the driver's situation into a race for survival.
Whoa. What the hell was that? That was a test blast?
What device are you watching this video
Hydro
on
bomb.
today?
Let's see if I got this. Wouldn't that make a big tsunami?
Where?
This may be the unluckiest vehicle in Missouri. It wasn't doing anything at all and still ended up in an expensive accident.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No way!
Oh, poor fella. Hurricane or tornado? This reeks of tornado to me. But people don't usually stand out there unless it's a hurricane. Wow, that's a crazy tree right there.
Long after the storm passed, eastern Iowa will still remember this moment. Everything
I'm gonna
was swept
switch
away
this.
by a
It's
force of nature that
distracting.
answers to no one.
There, we'll do a little smooth one.
Has anyone here ever witnessed one of these giant natural shredders in person?
Nope.
If so, tell us what it felt like.
I've seen clouds coming towards down from the, like where the clouds were coming towards the ground, but nothing ever started actually cycloning. It was slowly like forming, but I never. How about any of you guys see any tornadoes live in person or have footage? Let me know. Oh yeah, that bridge is out of here. The bridge is over. I'll do a couple
bridge
more.
that
I'm gonna have
once
to do
seemed
this in a couple
solid and
parts
dependable
also.
was no match for the raging floodwaters in Lermontovo, where everything changed in an instant.
Wow. Whoa, the road. Whoa. Talk about timing. Run that back. Wow. Oh yeah, is this Alaska or something? That's a wave.
It looks as though Perito Moreno Glacier decided to downsize with a spectacular ice
Perito
calving
Moreno
event.
Glacier, is that in Alaska? ice cap.
I knew it.
Dude.
Why are we clapping at the ice caps melting? I don't think Al Gore's there. Oh my god. That's not political bullshit, so shut up. That is a flock over here. Look at this flock. Uh-oh.
A beautiful photo is always worth more when it's taken from a safe distance. Hopefully, he understands that.
Can't that gas could be deadly, poisonous? Like now or in 3 years, or I'm pretty sure. How are you just standing there? I don't know, man. Some people think nature is under control or something. It's pretty,
The water jet burst upward uncontrollably, just like my reaction whenever I see an
Is he trying to get a
18-year-old
drink?
girl.
There's no way. Is that clean? It's got to be cleaner than the Pittsfield tap water, I'll say that. We got 22 heavy metals. This isn't even real.
Come
I
on,
don't think that's real.
take a guess. How big do you think this python is? Do you think
Maybe it's real.
6.6 feet and 66 pounds is accurate?
I don't know if these are real, let me know, but that's crazy. Holy sh! That thing can eat lots of humans.
Even after a
Elephants
year
chilling.
apart, these elephants still remembered their caretaker. This video deserves to be shared so more people can see just how emotional and intelligent elephants can be.
Whoa! Why is there a bird that has to do all that? It's beautiful. It's like a turkey.
I'm doing my usual
Wow.
jog, and I just happened to come across a mother of a whopper of an anthill.
I was gonna say,
This
is that
man discovered a
ants?
massive ant nest in Tennessee,
Fire ants or
and its
something?
size is enough to make anyone stop and take a second look.
Do we think he's gonna mess with it? I don't think he should. I kind of hope he should, even though I don't want ants to get messed with. I want to just see some ants. That's all. All right. I hope he doesn't. I hope it doesn't.
Get a little closer, you can see the ants.
Oh, you can see him without messing with it. Okay. Little cute fellas working. Mind your business. They're minding theirs because ants can turn serious quick.
Huge anthill here.
See?
I'm sure some people will feel dizzy just from watching this footage.
That's excuse me, that's crazy. What are they doing? There's got to be something in the middle. Is there like a queen ant or something, or they got to be protecting something in the middle there? Whoa, that's pretty cool.
For divers, there are few experiences more terrifying than feeling an earthquake beneath your feet underwater.
We're gonna do one more after this, and then we'll do a part 2 later. I never seen an earthquake underwater. Looks like they're under ice too or something.
At K.
There we go,
Lowry,
lava,
nature
the
put
last
on a
one.
fiery nighttime display with lava fountains shooting into the sky like giant geysers.
Ending it on lava. Beautiful. It's like the earth recycling itself, I think. I could be wrong.
This incredible
All right,
green
we'll do this one
display
more.
occurs when charged particles
Aurora
from the sun
borealis.
collide with Earth's atmosphere.
That's pretty beautiful. Aurora borealis. How do you say it? Borealis? Aurora borealis? I'm probably messing that up.
I dropped it to 3,200 at 1.3 seconds. Is that all right?
That should be good.
Have any of you seen this before?
Wow.
Imagine before we knew what it was.
You could kind of think of it like way the hell down there to the east.
Wow.
Things are beginning.
I'm trying to end it at the... That must... Oh yeah, that's... What do you call it? The frame rates. It's time lapse. Those are crazy, dude. They don't even look real. Whoa. That one is insane. So is that. Alright, we're going to end it there, guys. That was pretty fun. I think I might like the other style I was doing a little more. I'm not sure. But this was just the first one of these. There's going to be a second part. Channel was cool, a little weird, but either way, thanks for stopping by to visit the Russell Reacts experience. Love having you here. Love the support. I hope to get monetized. That's my goal and my dream. And I love reacting to stuff. So you are going to see plenty more of me, and I'm going to do funny stuff, serious stuff, controversial stuff, all sorts of stuff. And I'm going to get more comfy on camera and more funny and have more and more fun. If you like it, then like it. And if you like it, why not subscribe to the vibe? Let's go, Russell Reacts. We are going to see you in a little while, actually. I might be doing part 2 of another video tonight. I'm on the grind, on the grind. All right. Take care of yourself and each other. And I will see y'all later. Peace out.